How to send crypto from crypto.com to Coinbase. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can send crypto from crypto.com to Coinbase. Now for this, you can either open up the crypto.com app, or you can also head over to any web browser and then head over to crypto.com. Now, just make sure that you sign into your account. Once you have signed in, you want to click on the accounts in the bottom and then click on crypto wallet. Now you will see all of the cryptocurrencies that you currently own. For this, I'm going to be sending Bitcoin from crypto.com to Coinbase. So you can select the cryptocurrency that you want to send from crypto.com to Coinbase. You can use any cryptocurrency as long as it is listed on both Coinbase and crypto.com. Once you're in the cryptocurrency you want to send, you want to click on transfer and then click on the withdrawal option. Now click on external wallet and then go ahead and click on add a wallet address, or click on plus in the top right if you have already added one previously. Now click on wallet address, and here you will need to fill in your Bitcoin wallet address and a wallet name. So for Bitcoin, you want to select the BTC network. Once you do that, now you want to open up Coinbase. Make sure that you have signed into your account. Now over here, you want to click on the receive option. Then for the cryptocurrency, you want to select the same cryptocurrency that you chose on crypto.com to send. Now for this video, it is going to be Bitcoin. Now here you will get your Bitcoin address, and in the bottom you can see only send Bitcoin BTC to this address. And this will automatically also use the BTC networks. So go ahead and click on the copy option, then head over to crypto.com and then paste in your wallet address right here. Now you also want to type in the wallet name and then click on the continue option, enter your passcode, and then after adding in that address, you can click on withdrawal and click on confirm, and the withdrawal, select how much you want to withdraw and then click on the withdraw at the bottom, and it is going to show up in your Coinbase. And this is how you can send crypto from crypto.com to Coinbase. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.